Turn it all out, told me every secret. Said that I care, asked do you mean it? It's been a month since we've been okay. I'm putting off what's coming. Another night staring at the ceiling. Oh, you deserve to be alone, to be the one they're always thinking of. And I'm sorry I couldn't be there for you. Admit that I ignored it. You deserve to be alone. You deserve without me in your arms. Looking back, I wonder why I didn't show you how deep is my love. Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, where do you wanna see me naked? Let's talk about love. Tell me, what do you like? Tell me, what do you love? Let's talk about talk about, I'm gonna be better than you thought. I promise I won't jealous, you don't deserve it all.